Hi, this is Salamata Krishnan, Field CTO of Enterprise DB. I'm here to talk about sovereign AI and ethical AI, power, privacy, and principle at a gist level, not in detail. The detailed presentation will happen in June in the event. So if you'd like to join us, please come and join us, and then I'll be talking about the topic in detail. So let's start with what is sovereign AI, what is ethical AI, and how we are actually applying it in BFSI industry. So if you really notice, as per the researchers, by 2035, uh, it's going to be like $189 billion US dollars to be spent on AI alone. And in that one, around 21 million billion dollars is going to be for AI governance. So given that one, the importance of sovereignty is actually increasing in the market purely because of the security reasons, because we don't want to take data to the model. We want to bring the model down to the data level, to the data area, and then apply the models to go through our different use cases, whatever we want to develop. So it is AI is no more just the technology. It includes more of sovereign AI capabilities and ethical obligations. So what does it mean by sovereign AI? Is like it is a control, the local control, within the jurisdictions which we have to have for the data, for the model, and for the infrastructure. Where within in the sovereign AI, there are three key important things. One, the data sovereignty. The two, it is the model sovereignty. Three, it is the infrastructure sovereignty. So when it comes to data sovereignty, what it means that my data should be secured and I should have the control on my data, which I'm actually going to use for the in the models to apply the AI for the use cases. The other one is when it comes to model sovereignty, I should have the control of the models, and it should not be with a foreign controlled AI models alone. I should have the control locally within my jurisdictions or within my organization. And the third one is the infrastructure sovereignty. So it is preferred to have the AI models running on premise, that is within the VPC or within your country's jurisdictions. That is actually not only for a BFSI sector, it is actually applicable most of the sensitive sectors like public sector or telco for that matter, and the BFSI industry as well. So what does it mean when I say ethical AI is ethical AI is it's not enough just by applying sovereignty. It's not enough just by saying I'm actually making use of AI, but we should have the social responsibility when we are actually using the AI. That is so that we have the credibility in the market while we are actually using the AI. So the model which we are actually using should have the fairness, should have the transparency, accountability, and it should be secure. So what does it mean by fairness is it should not have it should have a unbiased decisions. You should not have any biased information or a score or anything for that matter towards any particular gender or towards any particular race or any particular community, etc., etc. So when it comes to transparency, when I use the model, I should be able to explain the parameters. So why the model is actually taking this kind of decisions, right? Say, for example, if it's a loan approval, why the loan approval has actually taken care of these parameters and why this loan is actually approved to this particular person and why it is not approved to another group of another segment of people, right? So that explanation should be there. Then we actually use the AI. The other one is the secured. So it should be locally available, and I should have the full control of the model. The full life cycle that is including data collections, training, deployment, monitoring, and the usage. I should have the full control of this life cycle. I will locally within my organization or within my the controlled environment, right? So there are tools available to implement ethical AI. And from EDB's perspective, we provide an end-to-end AI platform which actually enables you for sovereign AI. So I will be covering more details about the tools and implementation methodologies that is actually available. You can actually apply for your organization during the event. Please join us during the event. Thank you.